it's a stagger, a lunge, a stagger, a stand, stagger, lunge, stagger, work. So it's 45 seconds on, 15 seconds rest, transition between moves. You got 15 seconds right here. Push right, come on, push left, grab those dumbbells, make them heavy for 5, push, take it down, row, curl, push, nice work, take it down, row, curl, push, awesome job, you got it, come on, row, curl, push, 45 seconds right here, yes you can, row, we're getting into that upper body, biceps, shoulders. Now this might be a little bit different than what you're used to for a shoulder press, your palms are facing you, a stagger, a stand, stagger, lunge, stagger, stand, you're digging into the legs right here, this is all lower body, 45 seconds, those legs should be so on fire. Yes, if you have heavy dumbbells, you're going to feel the burn. Woo. Got it. Hop back up to plank, push up. I'm doing push-ups from my knees. They are my hardest exercise post-baby. I'm still working on that, but you do your best. You forget the rest. That's the name of the game always here at Nourish, Move, Love. Come on. Yes, can you give me one more? Drop that army crawl, pull back. Come on, 45 seconds. Up and up, side, up, side, up. Yeah, woo. This is gonna raise your heart rate. It's gonna get into those legs. Hello legs, there they are. You can do anything for 45 seconds. I'm gonna show you that low impact. Step, squat, step, squat. You choose your 1, 2, 3, 4, up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Low impact. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step back. You choose. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, you can. Just think. 4 and 4. You just keep counting. Reverse, bound, lateral, bound, reverse, bound. You want low impact? Lateral, knee drive, reverse, knee drive, lateral, knee, reverse, knee. You choose what works for you. Come on, 15 seconds, woo, 45 seconds. Man, does that feel like a long time when you are in cardio. Cardio, come on, it's 5, 4, 3, quarter turn, quarter turn, quarter turn, quarter turn, boom, boom, quarter, boom, boom, quarter. Yeah, you want low impact, boom, boom, tap it, boom, boom, tap it, boom, boom, tap it. Come on, ha, yes, you can, let's go, boom, boom, in, out,